Titanic Trucks by Maish Goldish. The Midnight Rider. Length 70 feet, 21.3 meters. Height 13 feet, 8 inches, 4.2 meters. Width 8 feet, 5 inches, 2.6 meters. Weight 50,560 pounds, 22,934 kilograms. Many people like to ride in long, fancy cars called limousines. Yet in Las Vegas and Southern California, some people prefer a fancy truck, the Midnight Rider. This huge tractor-trailer is the largest limousine in the world. People rent it for parties. The giant truck holds up to 40 passengers. They can watch movies and enjoy food as they ride in style. The Midnight Rider is made for having fun, yet most huge trucks are built to do work, and not small jobs. As you'll soon see, big trucks are used for carrying big loads. Tractor. A tractor-trailer has two sections. The driver sits in the front section called the tractor. It pulls the trailer, which is the section joined behind it. Inside the Midnight Rider. Trailer. Car carrier. Length 70 feet, 21.3 meters. Height 13 feet, 6 inches, 4.1 meters. Width 8 feet, 6 inches, 2.6 meters. Maximum weight 80,000 pounds, 36,287 kilograms. After cars are built in a factory, they need to be delivered to the showroom where people can buy them. The new cars can't be driven there because then they would be used cars. So, how do they get to the customers? Some of the cars are placed on huge tractor trailers called car carriers that bring the cars to the places where they will be sold. To load a truck, each car is driven up a ramp. The truck's upper deck or level is filled first. Then the cars are placed on the lower deck. Strong cords and chains hold them in place so they don't fall off the truck as they travel. A tractor-trailer can hold up to 12 small-size cars. Logging truck. Length 70 feet, 21.3 meters. Height 13 feet, 6 inches, 4.1 meters. Width 8 feet, 6 inches, 2.6 meters. Maximum weight 80,000 pounds, 36,287 kilograms. A logging truck is a kind of tractor-trailer with a twist. It doesn't have any sides. Instead, the back section is a pole trailer where long, heavy trees that have been cut down in the forest can be loaded. Strong chains or cords are used to hold the logs in place. The truck then brings the logs to factories where the wood is used to make furniture, paper, and other products. Pole trailer. Some logging trucks can carry 55,000 pounds, 24,948 kilograms of wood. That's about the same weight as 5 elephants. Tanker. Length 70 feet, 21.3 meters. Height 13 feet 6 inches, 4.1 meters. Width 8 feet 6 inches, 2.6 meters. Maximum weight 80,000 pounds, 36,287 kilograms. Tractor trailers don't just carry goods like cars and logs that can be tied down. A tanker is a kind of tractor trailer that carries a liquid, such as gasoline, orange juice, or milk. The liquid is stored in a long, round steel tank. It can hold up to 9,000 gallons, 34,069 liters. That's enough liquid to fill 72,000 pint-sized cartons of milk. Some tankers carry more than one kind of liquid on the same trip. The inside of the tank is divided into sections in order to keep the different liquids separate from one another. Some tanks are refrigerated so that liquids such as orange juice stay cool and don't spoil. A tanker carrying oil. Road train. Length 175 feet 6 inches, 53.5 meters for a 3-trailer train. Height 14 feet 4.3 meters. Width 8 feet 3 inches, 2.5 meters. Some trucks need to carry such a big load that everything can't fit in just one trailer. How do people solve this problem? They attach more trailers to the back of the truck, which makes it look like a train. In fact, this kind of truck is called a road train. Road trains are found mainly in Australia. They travel between cities that are very far apart. The extra long trucks stay on roads that are mostly straight and flat and have little traffic. The trains are too big to pull into cities. Instead, they unload their goods at special road train stations that are located outside cities. The longest road train on record was created in 2006 in Australia. It had 112 trailers and stretched 4,837 feet, 1.47 kilometers, almost a mile long. Snowplow. Width of Syracuse snowplow blade, 32 feet, 3 inches, 9.8 meters. Height of Syracuse snowplow blade, 4 feet, 1.2 meters. Snowy weather is beautiful, but it can also be dangerous. Towns and cities need to make sure their streets are clean and safe for people to drive on. To remove snow, people drive trucks called snowplows that push the snow to the side of the road. Some cities get only a few inches of snow each winter. Others, like Syracuse, New York, get more than 9 feet, 2.7 meters. In fact, Syracuse is one of the snowiest cities in the United States. So, it's not a surprise that they have the biggest snowplow in the world. The blade on this truck is 32 feet, 3 inches, 9.8 meters wide, and 4 feet, 1.2 meters high. It is used to clear the mounds of snow that pile up at the Syracuse airport. Snowplows have tires with large treads on them so that they don't slide on the ice. Some snowplows spread sand or salt on roads to make them less slippery for other vehicles. The Syracuse snowplow. Crawler transporter. Length 131 feet, 40 meters. Height 26 feet, 8 meters. Width 114 feet, 35 meters. Weight 6 million pounds, 2,722 metric tons. A space shuttle can weigh as much as 171,000 pounds, 77,564 kilograms. Yet it is still able to blast off into the sky. One thing it can't do, however, is move on land. Is there a truck big enough and strong enough to carry one? Yes. At the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, a crawler transporter is used to move a space shuttle to its launch pad. The space shuttle is placed on top of the crawler transporter's giant platform, which is about the same size as a baseball diamond. The crawler transporter weighs 6 million pounds, 2,722 metric tons, without the space shuttle on board. With its heavy load, the truck moves only 1 mile per hour, 1.6 kilometers per hour. No wonder it's called a crawler. The Kennedy Space Center has 2 crawler transporters. They are named Hans and Franz. The Space Shuttle Discovery. Monster truck. Height 10 to 12 feet, 6 inches, 3 to 3.8 meters. Average width 12 feet, 6 inches, 3.8 meters. Weight 9,500 to 13,000 pounds, 4,309 to 5,897 kilograms. Some trucks aren't just big, they're monsters. A monster truck is a pickup truck with oversized wheels and a powerful engine. Most monster trucks are about 12 feet, 3.7 meters high. Unlike most other trucks, monster trucks don't do work. Instead, their job is to entertain. At monster truck rallies, crowds of people watch the drivers race the giant trucks in the mud and crush old cars by riding on top of them. Some drivers even do tricks with their huge vehicles, such as speeding around on just 2 wheels. Weighing 28,000 pounds, 12,701 kilograms, and standing more than 15 feet, 4.6 meters tall, Bigfoot 5 is the heaviest and tallest pickup truck in the world. Bigfoot 5. Monster fire truck. Length 38 feet, 11.6 meters. Height 11 feet, 9.5 inches, 3.6 meters. Width 12 feet, 4 inches, 3.8 meters. Weight 35,000 pounds, 15,876 kilograms. Most monster trucks are driven at rallies where they race each other, crush cars, and do tricks. Yet the longest monster truck of all isn't used at races. Instead, it is used to help save lives. Big Red is a monster fire truck. Built in 1937, it first served as a real fire truck in Kentucky. After many years of helping to put out fires, the truck was retired. Later, its tires were replaced with much larger ones to turn it into a monster fire truck. Today, Big Red is shown at parades, fairs, and other events to raise money for children who are very ill. After more than 70 years, Big Red is still doing its part to help make people's lives better. Big Red holds the Guinness World Record for being the longest and heaviest monster truck in the world.